In C-Import, you receive a document pack from overseas agents containing the bill of lading, commercial invoice, packing list, and other trade-related documents. Previously, once the documents arrived, you would manually check for compliance, forward them to the customs broker, input data into the ERP system, coordinate with domestic transportation companies, and finally send the arrival notice to the customer. This process typically took 5 to 10 minutes per shipment. Now, you can hand it over to your digital worker and enjoy a well-deserved break. What the digital worker does: analyzes the document pack with human-like understanding, automatically checks compliance and updates the ERP system, prepares the arrival notice, even factoring in weather forecasts to offer personalized advice to the customer, creates a transport plan and alerts the domestic transportation team to prepare for receipt. The personal touch you once added during customer engagement is now seamlessly delivered by the digital worker, freeing you to focus on exception management and direct your attention where it's truly needed. Think about the value a digital worker brings: efficiency, consistency, and a touch of care in every shipment. When your customer receives the arrival notice, she'll appreciate the personalized care woven into the message. With just a click, she can track the cargo status, access all relevant documents, and proceed with approvals effortlessly. Meanwhile, the domestic transportation team receives a clear and timely transport plan, feeling informed, prepared, and ready to act. All thanks to the digital worker.